Hello everyone, and today we are taking a very important topic, and that is mode in continuous series. Okay, so in my previous lectures we have already discussed about the mode in individual and discrete series, and today we are taking mode in continuous series. That is another unique topic of mode. Okay, in continuous series you will have the L1 and L2 lower and upper limit and also frequencies. So how to solve a mode in continuous series we will discuss in this lecture. So if you want to solve a question of mode in continuous series, so here you have two ways. Okay, so number one, by formula. If you want to solve a question by formula method, okay, so you will have another two methods, and that is inspection method and the second one is grouping method. Okay, so what is inspection method and grouping method we have already discussed about the in previous lecture. Okay, so methods and its rules are same. Okay, but here you have to use a formula. Okay, and then the second way to compute mode is with the help of mean and median. Okay, so if you don't want to use the formula of mode in continuous series, then you can find out the mode by this way also, where you have to calculate mean and median first, and then you have to put these values in this formula, and the formula is z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Okay, but this method is rarely used. Okay, so the first method by using formula, it is usually used to compute the mode in continuous series. Okay, so now we will see how to solve a question by formula method under the inspection method. Okay, so steps to solve mode in continuous series. Okay, so first step is to calculate the modal class, determine the modal class in exclusive form. Exclusive form means where the upper limit of the first class and then a lower limit of the next class will be same. Okay, means like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, like this. Okay, so that will be the exclusive class. So you have to find out the modal class, and how you will find out the modal class. For that you have to see what is the highest frequency. The class which is having the highest or maximum frequency, that will be the modal class. Okay, and you have to use here what the inspection method or grouping method. It is your choice to, okay. So if the question is very normal, then you can use inspection method. If any condition is there, or if you want to choose the grouping method or solve by grouping method, then you can use the grouping method there. Okay, then the second step is use formula. Okay, so here you have a formula to calculate mode. Okay, if you want to solve the question of mode in continuous series by inspection method or by grouping method, you have to use this formula. Okay, and the formula is z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. Okay, now what is L1, L2, F1, F0 and F2? So here is the description. Z is equal to mode, L1 is equal to lower limit of the modal class, L2 upper limit of the modal class, F1 frequency of the modal class, F0 is frequency of pre-modal class, and F2 frequency of post or succeeding or next modal class. Okay, now we will take a question to further discuss about it. So the question is, calculate mode from the following frequency distribution. Class is given and frequency is given. So by inspection method, if you will solve this question, you will find the highest frequency is 16, which corresponds the class 30 to 40. Means the class 30 to 40 is having the highest frequency, which is 16. So our modal class is 30 to 40. Means the answer of the question will come under the 30 to 40. Okay, now you have to determine here L1, L2, F1, F0 and F2. Okay, according to formula. So F1 is 30 here. Okay, L1 is 30 here, which is the lower limit. Then L2 is 40 here. Then F1 is 16, F0 is 10, which is the frequency of the pre-model class, and F2 is the 12, which is the frequency of the post-model class. Okay, so you have now L1, L2, F1, F0 and F2. Now put these value in the formula. Okay, so the formula is Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 L2 minus L1. Okay, now put the values here, and I'm putting here the values. Then the solution for the solution is 30 plus 6, 16 minus 10 is 6, then 2 into 16, 32 minus 10 minus 12 will be minus 22, and the difference of 42 30 is 10. Okay, further you will solve 30 plus 6 upon 10 into 10, so 10 will be cancelled, so 30 plus 10 will be 36, and that is our mode. That is mode. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this lecture, you please comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much.